This video shows a simple, step-by-step way to add text and make it move in CapCut on PC. I'll walk you through adding the text, styling it, using built-in text animations, and then creating a smooth slide-in with keyframes and easing. Follow along on your project timeline, and you'll have clean typographic animation in minutes. Start by opening your project in CapCut Desktop and placing the video or image clip on the timeline. In the top left area of the interface, click the Text tab. In the text panel, you'll see options like default text and text templates. Click and drag the default text down onto your clip on the timeline to create a new text layer, and stretch that layer to match the length of the clip if you need it to stay on screen longer. With the text layer selected, look to the upper right panel under the Basic tab. Click into the text box and type what you want. Change the font from the dropdown to something bold and clean if you want clear typography. You can resize using the size slider or by dragging the corner handles of the text box in the preview window and move it to where it looks best on screen. Under Basic, you can also pick a color, adjust character and line spacing, set alignment, and try the styles or presets for ready-made looks. For more options, check the Bubble Text and Effects sub-tabs. If you want a quick animated look, use CapCut's animation presets. With your text layer still selected, click the Animation tab in the upper right. You'll see 3 categories. In controls how the text appears. Out controls how it leaves. And loop gives continuous movement while the text is on screen. Click any preset to try it and watch the live preview in the video window. A classic choice is the typewriter effect in the In tab, which gives a neat, professional reveal. Just below the presets, there is a duration slider. Drag it to slow or speed the animation. Longer meaning smoother and slower. Shorter meaning snappier. For a smoother, more custom slide-in, use keyframes. If you have a preset applied, clear it first by choosing none or resetting the animation so the keyframes control movement cleanly. Start by selecting the text layer and placing the playhead at the exact moment you want the slide to begin. Move the text completely off screen by dragging it in the preview window or by changing the X position value until it is out of view, for example, a large negative number. In the Basic tab, click the small diamond icon next to position to set the first keyframe at that off-screen position. Next, move the playhead forward to where you want the text to finish its slide. Drag the text back into its final on-screen position or set the X value so it sits exactly where you want it. CapCut will automatically add the second keyframe, and you'll see the animation play between those 2 points. If the travel time between keyframes is short, the slide will be fast, and if the distance on the timeline is longer, the slide will be slower. To make the movement feel natural, add easing. Right-click the text layer on the timeline and choose Show Variable Speed Animation or the equivalent option in your CapCut version to open the keyframe graph. Click the second keyframe and then the small graph icon to reveal Ease Curve. Pick an ease that slows the text as it lands, so it starts quicker and gently decelerates into place. That easing creates a professional, organic feel compared with a straight linear move. Right-click and select Hide Variable Speed Animation. That's everything for this quick guide. Try the steps on a short clip, tweak the font and easing until it feels right, and rewatch any part of this video if something looks off. If you want, I can make a follow-up showing different easing curves, multi-line type animations, or how to animate individual characters.